shove them on back there. We got a lot of stuff in this garage.
Yeah. All right.
They're all back there. Come on, let's get some more. We got time.
Okay.
Come on, grab something else.
Yeah. What's that? Here's looks like it'll come in handy.
Yeah, grab stuff. Just get what we can. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh crap! Here, someone's coming. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey! What the hell are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Get him! Oh! Oh! Ah! Jim, get him! Jim, get him! Ah! Jim, get him! Jim, get him!